So we are meeting very first time. So I think we should introduce ourselves. So I really
Yeah.
want to know about yourselves. Please tell me about yourself.
Okay, thank you for asking first of all. As you know, my name is Susmita Kaushik. I'm from UP currently. Basically, I'm from Assam. About my qualification, now I'm doing master degree as well as I have done PGDC as a computer course also. I'm a married person, mother of one person. Simultaneously, I'm running YouTube channel also. Now global name is Global English Quest. That's all about me. I would
Okay,
like to
it's
know
too
about
fast.
you.
Yeah, sure, sure. As you know that my name is Mansi Vajpayee and I basically belong to Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur. And if I talk about my education, I have done my master's subject of English literature from Dayana Nehru Mahavidyalaya, which is located in the Kanpur University. And apart from this, I am English trainer, and right now I'm also running my YouTube channel, name of English Toast 27. That's all about me.
Okay, that's great. You are running your own center, coaching center.
Yeah.
That's great. How long have you been? Are you teaching?
It's a 2 year.
2 year.
2 year.
Okay.
Yes.
What about your learning journey? Now you are a teacher, tutor. What
Even
about
I'm
it?
also learning right now because I didn't spend a lots of time in this profession because that is not my profession. I'm also work. I'm just working that like it means. So of course, if I share to my learning journey, I belong to UP board. That means Hindi medium boards. So I was unable to speak English in front of a lot of people. So that was the main issue. That was the acid test of my on that time. So I haven't joined a one institute and after that I'm just learning lots of things which is important for the speaking like that reading writing listening all all these types of things which is really important which is work on your fluency that all are things now I am and even also making a mistake lots of in my sentences but by the bless of god someone gave me opportunity to teach so that was the very luckiest thing for me because that the things give me a confidence that the things give me a fluency so that all about me.
Okay, that's great. Which level student are you teaching?
Actually, I cannot define these things which level is who, which types, whose types of students I am teaching because they belong to someone. A lot of students belong to the same age of my, lot of elder to me, lots of younger to me, lots of kids also. So all age the student.
Okay. No, I'm asking about they are intermediate students or they are beginner, they are advanced level, which level they are.
Uh, when they want to learn something, so I think on that time they are only learner, and we can say that they are beginner.
Okay, okay. Okay, that's
Yeah.
great. Okay. Do you teach them online or offline?
No, it's offline. Have you visited my YouTube channel or not?
Sorry?
I'm
No,
asking to you.
I post your many videos, but I think with different tutors, with YouTubers.
Yeah, YouTubers also, and the my institute locations also. The students' video also available on my YouTube channel where I am teaching to my students, where I am debating with my students. So that all are video I post on my YouTube channel.
Okay, online videos are you posting on YouTube channel?
Yeah,
Okay, I did not see. Definitely, I will check on YouTube channel. What is your YouTube channel name?
English Those 27.
You mentioned here English those 27 here also. Is this your
Yeah,
channel name?
English.
Is it?
Yeah, this is the my channel name. English Those 27.
Okay, what is the reason of behind this English those 27?
I think there's a no any reason. I'm just first my channel name is that vocab with Mansi Bajpayee. So I thought this channel name is very long. So I just put the English dose. But here's a lot of channel also available on the English dose. But I just add the one date at 27, and of course we can say that 27 is my birth date. So I add this
Okay.
date. So that is the motive of that channel. So tell me about you, like that, why you are learning this language. It means you are working anywhere. Yeah, you need that time. That's why. What is the reason behind to learn this language?
Okay, I used to teach somewhere, as a computer teacher in institute before, but after that I did not get chance. My baby is so young, and we are living in a nuclear family here. So
Hmm.
after my baby grown up, definitely I try to, do job somewhere. So this language is nowadays very necessary. So if I learned this language from earlier before joining anywhere, then this will be very helpful for me for
Yeah.
find job to everywhere. That's the reason. Some reason I have, and my already I said my baby is young, so I have to teach him for his bright future. That's some reason I have.
Yeah,
So
uh, that's so important. As you mentioned, with this language is very important. So, of course, I totally agree with that point. Without this language, we cannot go anywhere. If we belong to a rural area, yeah, if we belong to any other state, so we cannot connect in our India also, a different state, the
yes,
member.
yes,
So there's only
definitely.
one language. Yeah, there's only one language. There's only one way to connect the people and convey our thought, ideas in front of to a lot of people. So of course, this is a very important and a global language also. So I think we should learn this language. Everybody should learn this language. Okay, you have any other questions? How can we make this conversation interesting?
Okay. I jotted down some question. If you want, then I will ask. Otherwise, if
Yeah,
you have any,
sure.
questions, then we can discuss. Okay, tell me about you are a teacher. So, which part is very important to learn this language? What opinion your
I
it
think,
is
yeah,
grammar
yeah.
much important?
I don't want to give any suggestion about that, which part is important, but as per my opinion, I think consistency is very important to learn this language. If you are consist, so of course you can learn this language and you will be able to speak this language within coming days. So of course consistency is matters a lot. And after that, important is that grammar. Yeah, grammar is also important. If you don't have any idea about the grammar, that means you should not have a single knowledge about the grammar. So of course you need to learn a grammar. You need to read a grammar. So grammar is also important. And the third is very most important thing like a vocabulary, because after some
Yes,
time we know very well how to conversate ourselves, how to make the sentence, but the verb jerk us. We know how to what is the structure of that sentence, how to frame that, but if we are unable to recognize the verb, so of course we are unable to think, we are unable to understand, we are unable to speak. So that that three things are very important to convince our thought and to understand also. That is my opinion.
yeah, definitely. Without word, without vocab, we can't, make a frame sentences. We can't express
Hmm.
our thoughts. What exact I want to say to you, opposite person. Yeah, that is also a good thing. And how you teach to beginner? What do you say to them? Which part is very important? You have to learn in initial time.
First, I don't think like that only a one part is important for this journey. No, each and every part is important, because if you are learning this language, so first you should just fix your target and make your plan. I have to complete this course a 6 month, 3 month. What is the target you have and what is the plan do you have? So first you have to target first it, and the second thing is that you should start the working. So the speaking is more important. Doesn't know how much knowledge do you have, and there's a knowledge or not, doesn't matter. But if you speak something that will give the confidence, so that is very important for you. So first you learn and speak. That the things you have to do rapidly. So of course, in 15 days you just can check. You can just check the changement of your things before time and the right now also. So just compare yourself where you are and now where you are. So that the things important. Just speak and learn and speak. Both things you have to do with your learning time.
Okay, yeah, that is very important thing. We have to set our goals. That is main important. And consistency is main important. Okay. Okay. Okay, tell me about which kind person are you? Are you happy person? Are you sad person?
Both. It's depend the situation, which situation I am facing right now. If yeah, most of the scene I make a happy myself and to everyone, to each person's also, because that is a purpose. If I'm showing the sadness in front of a lot of people, so what they thinking about me, and there's a no reason they are not just concerned me. No, you have to do this thing, you have to do this thing. So of course, I always show my happy face in front of the people. I never show my sadness. Yeah, if I am in pain, so okay, that is my pain. So what is the need to show other? So yeah, of course we can say that I am happy person.
That's good. Which kind thing to make you happy?
Everything, everything. If anybody just put the joke in front of me, I feel happy. If anybody just gave me what I like, so I feel happy. Everything which thing I like and others do for me, so of course. But the one important things which I am waiting, it's called a success. That will be a true happiness when I got it, when I received.
Okay, that's great. What is your goal? What do you want to do then? What's your aim?
Uh,
What's your list?
Yeah, I would like to share you right now. I am also preparing of the government job, so of course that is my goal right now. And if talk about my YouTube channel, so I am working just because of to I have some knowledge, so just I would like to spread this knowledge between the people. So that is not my aim, but of course now I'm also thinking like that maybe that the YouTube's give me something. So of course that is also aim. So they are the two aim I am running with me. The one aim is that job which I am preparing, and the second is that YouTube channel.
Yes, definitely. Which one working? Your channel has monetized or not?
Yeah, I am monetized right now.
Okay. Have you started to earn money from there?
No, whenever you I unable to complete your $100, then you get the receive the salary.
Yes, yes. Are you, I think, eagerly excited to get this or not?
Yeah, I am very excited because I have been working this channel on a half and 1.5 year. So that too much time I have spent in this channel. So of course I am waiting. I'm eagerly waiting. And you know what? If I talk about my mother is also waiting a lot for that things for that moment.
Yes, that is her, daughter's success. This is not only money, this is a successful
Yeah,
sign.
we can say
Yes,
that now I am YouTuber because without the salary, I think we are not. Everybody started working on a YouTube. Everybody wants to become a YouTuber. But if you are not achieving something, so we cannot say that I am that.
yes, yes. We can't say I'm getting success. If we are getting money as you feel motivate automatically.
Yeah,
Yes, I
if,
have to
where
work
I
for
am, yeah, where I am working. So of course that working paid on me. So of course that we can say that our work is a good. Our work is going to a good direction. So that the
direction.
thing.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, people likes us, you know. We
Hmm.
think like,
When you receive any comment to the new subscriber, so that things are wow, someone
yeah,
is really watching my channel and put me a comment, that they mean that's a good thing, that positive
that's
vibes, so that all our things matters a lot and they give the happiness also. What
yes,
about your
happiness
side?
also motivate. Yes, motivate also. You feel motivate automatically. Yes, I have to do lots of work. I have to do hard work, and definitely
Hmm.
simultaneously, we are learning, and simultaneously we are teaching to someone. We are giving knowledge to someone. That is also a
Yeah,
good thing. By watching our videos, if someone getting knowledge from our videos, that is very good thing.
yeah, that's a good, very good. We
Yeah.
all are working just because of the people, and if people like, so that's a benefit to us and the people also.
People also, yes, yes, definitely. We can't go anywhere to teach him to consult them. If they watch our videos, then definitely they also get some knowledge,
Yeah,
at least
I
some
think.
knowledge from us.
बिल्कुल
Yes,
sorry, sure. I'm saying and the time and the time we all are learning this language, so everywhere when I was learning this language, so there are no any lots of social media because the net was too expensive, so we cannot afford on that time. But right now we can learn English without an institute, without any coaching, anything, because we have a lots of facilities on our YouTube, on our social media. We can.
yes, definitely. Have you taken any subscription from tutors?
No, right now, no.
Not yet. Okay. Okay, what do you think about then self-study is sufficient for learning this language?
It's totally up to you. If you are consistent member like that, if you have a mindset, no, I have to do this thing, because you know what, there are the two types of person who need support to other and who are only one person can do anything else what they want. So as like I am kind of person, if anybody just suggests to me you have to do this thing, so of course I can do this, but I don't want to pressure over my hand. No, I go anywhere and someone give me a work, then I do start, because I'm not lazy person. If I want to do anything in my life, so of course I can start myself. So that is totally depend to person, if that person the level, if they can do alone, so of course they have a lots of facilities, they just use it and they can uh, speak in English. Because right now we can do any, we just look at anywhere, everything belong to English, everything matters are English. If you go any shop, so if you buy anything, written on a English all things. So everything everywhere is English. So of course there, I think there's a no need to go any institute and pay the high fees,
I
because on
agree.
our YouTube channel there's a lot of free courses available also, they are giving a much knowledge.
Definitely, we can get everything from YouTube. Who is not able to pay much of money from this kind of tutors. So I also took subscription from tutors, but I did not get much of knowledge from there. It's my personal opinion. I just want to suggest to people through this video, if we someone wanted to take session from tutors, I don't think that is too much,
Yeah,
important or.
and you know what? Yeah, you ahead.
Okay, okay, go ahead, please.
Yeah, I'm also saying that like the I think online tutor is better than to no, offline tutor is better than to online, because in a online, in a offline you go, so you just met a different types of people and a student also. So where you can build your confidence, but if talk about the online, so only a tutor, only a student. So we are talking to each other, but that the confidence we are unable to develop ourselves. So I think if you are meeting the people, if you are going, if you are going to any institute and surrounding the people, so that the thing different comparison of to online session.
Yes, that is totally different because do you have any ambience to conversation with people?
Sorry,
Do you have any environment to conversation with people? Atmosphere?
uh, online or offline?
Offline. Online, we are
Yeah.
doing like you have definitely.
No environment is there, no any environment to the, only a Skype we can connect the people and we can speak to each other. But offline there's a lot of environment, because in my batch I always said to my student, you have to speak in English, doesn't matter you know or not, just start it like a tutti frutti, you have to speak. So that the kind of environment we can create in our institute and our offline batches, so that the helps a lot. Because you know what, the noises also happen with their native language, but if I said no, you have to speak only English, so
Please,
they just
yes.
speak little bit words, and they are
Yes,
also searching, they are also learning what I have to say. So that the things, yeah, that the environment I created in my institute.
yes, that is good thing. Is this a speaking course only, or is, course? Their
No, it's
course
only spoken classes.
totally on spoken classes. Okay, that is the must need to speak English.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, that's great. Do we have any question to ask me then? I think it's a 20 minutes
uh,
cross.
yeah, it's so where do you belong? I forget that. What is your
Yeah,
area?
yeah. I'm talking with you from UP currently, near Ghaziabad, and basically I belong to Assam.
Assam. That means you married UP.
Not, I'm married in Assam as well. After my husband doing job here, that purpose we are here now.
Okay, okay. So I think we have covered a lots of questions to each other. So I think that's enough for the viewers also. And next session, I would like to make sure to you, just because of to related to topic. If you are ready, so of course we will connect soon.
Yes, I'm always ready to discuss a different topic. I enjoy a lot. Yes, we are meeting first time this one. That's why we have to know each other very well, before going to
Yeah,
topic. So that is very important. Again, if we meet, then definitely we are going to a topic to discuss.
yeah, sure. So thank you so much to give your precious time and very
Thank
busy
you so
schedule
much.
we have, but we are taking. So bye bye, take care.
Okay, thank you so much for joining me.